A man prosecutors are calling a jailhouse snitch took the witness stand in the Mark Leonard murder trial, and he said that Leonard wanted a key witness against him murdered. Good evening, I'm John Stair.
And I'm Andrea Moorhead. Now, the informant was Leonard's cellmate, and he offered the prosecution plenty of ammunition against the accused mastermind of the Southside explosion. Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van Wyk was in the courtroom today for that testimony.
And Rich joins us now from South Bend, where a judge moved the trial due to pre-trial publicity here. Rich?
In addition to the jailhouse informant, the jury also heard telephone calls, recorded telephone calls Mark Leonard made from the Marion County Jail. He thought he was talking to a hitman. It was actually an undercover ATF agent. In it, it gives the agent specific directions and instructions on how to kill an expected witness against him. You hear him telling the agent, the best thing is if you go around to the back door. The back door would be the best to go through. Then get me out of here. Before that testimony, a jailhouse informant, a so-called snitch, got on the witness stand telling jurors how he set things up. From his maximum security cell in the Marion County Jail, investigators claim Mark Leonard tried to have a witness against him killed. Robert Smith, a career criminal and frequent police informant, hid from news cameras as he left the courthouse. Smith was in the cell next to Leonard's. He testified Leonard was always reading his court papers. He would hold it up and say, "Damn it, there's another witness against me too." He wanted him killed. Did that get your attention? Asked the prosecutor. Yeah, real fast. He was Mark Duckworth, a friend investigators say Leonard told of his house blowing up and his plans to buy a Ferrari. Because he was lying and trying to get him in prison for the rest of his life, and he wanted to get him killed. Smith testified he contacted police and that Leonard promised to pay him $1,000 to find someone who would carry out the killing. He even drew a map. Smith arranged a phone call to an ATF agent posing as a hitman. Defense attorneys tried to portray Smith as a calculating jailhouse snitch, a snitch who they claim gave his prescription drugs to Leonard and would do anything to get out of jail. Smith denied it all, despite recorded phone calls to the contrary. Smith received plea deals on his pending charges and after helping police received a lower bail, none of which he insisted required him to testify. As a matter of fact, Smith did testify that the only reason he was here testifying was, in his words, to do the right thing. Prosecutor Denise Robinson said the testimony and evidence today goes to Mark Leonard's state of mind and guilt. Defense attorneys tried numerous times unsuccessfully to keep the testimony, the recorded telephone call, out of the courtroom. This trial resumes Monday morning. In South Bend, reporting live, Rich Van Wyk, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.